Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, as you'll see at realnesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all 2 YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester. Oh, y'all don't see the Real Nester today. But I'm Crystal, Real Nester. And today, I'm doing a review just for you. And today, I'm reviewing the BestWay blow-up mattress. And we went queen size on this, ladies and gentlemen. Queen, 20-inch high. And they actually, this box is pretty cool. They got where you can touch it and feel the fabric of it. And it is nice and soft. It's a soft top inside. So it says this Tri-Tech fortified beams are made of enhanced 3-layer material reinforced to provide durability and support. So here they trying to show you the inside of it, right? 1 air mattress and 1 storage bag. I like the bags. Tri-Tech internal beam construction provides stretch resistance and ensures that the air bed keeps its shape no matter how many times it is inflated and deflated. This material has been stress tested against the weight, strain, and movement of good night sleeps. So it has a built-in pump. Now I'm not necessarily sure if I've ever experienced a bed with an actual built-in pump. So this will be interesting to see. It said offers powerful automatic inflation and deflation at the turn of a dial. Setup takes minutes. The dial interface has a valve at the center of the knob, making it compatible with handheld pumps. That sounds like we need a pump, but we'll see. Soft top is soft, flocked material that creates a comfortable, luxurious sleeping surface for a peaceful night's sleep. So it talks about ultra freshness protection. It has antimicrobial treatment built in to protect the product from the growth of odor causing bacteria, mold, and mildew on the sleep surface. So ladies and gentlemen, after we've heard all these wonderful, beautiful names, Vanna White, you guys, Vanna White. Anyway, I'm going to crack this baby open. So we bought this because our nieces are coming to spend the night. And we, you know, want to make sure they're nice and comfortable. So ladies and gentlemen, here's a bag, the storage bag that it goes into. Oh, it even got a strap. That's pretty cool. It says BestWay. Toss that over there. The hubby don't like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to dump this out here. And we're going to get rid of that. Woohoo! And here is our bed. Look how nice and wrapped this is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, y'all know we ain't going to never get it back this size again. We like to cut things. Alright, so rip this open. Again, away with the trash. Might have hit my cameraman. Don't tell nobody. So it's it came with 1 repair patch. Thank you for your purchase paperwork. Take a breath. It's not leaking. It's stretching. That's what they said. And here's some instructions. But as y'all know, if y'all watch our videos, ain't nobody got time for that. We all do instructions. This thing is actually pretty heavy. So, this is me rolling it out. We might have to change some angles here in a minute because of the space that we have this in. Toss that over there. And here's the little self pump, they say. I'm interested to see how this works. All right. So we queen size, ladies and gentlemen, queen size. It feels good. All righty. Let me see. So, trying to pull this open. Oh, it really is a self pump in here. So we just. Lifting up the angles. Look at the big blow up by itself.
I seen that before on YouTube.
You did?
Yep.
So it's like if you pull the corners up, it helps it.
Five minutes later.
That's so cool.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Makes life so much easier. So, ladies and gentlemen, it took us about 4 minutes because it was 8:52. You hear that? That's the sound of a good night's sleep. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for spending quality time with me. Y'all know what to do. Don't forget to comment down below. Subscribe to our channel. And y'all know the best thing to do. Hit the bell! Peace.